I want to thank the cook Hans for making this one possible. I have some ricotta cheese. I had some mushrooms, peppers, some onions.
And then stir it in?
I just kind of sauteed it with some salt and pepper, very, very, very simple. And I just want to get that in. And you just kind of fold in all this goodness. Add some Parmesan. I just also want to add a little cheddar cheese in here. So I have some shells. I would say about a spoonful.
Yeah, per shell.
And and all you do is you kind of just close them in like this. This lovely Hunt's tomato sauce that we did. That was happening, right? 1,
Place in the shells.
2. This is some mozzarella and cheddar that I'm just kind of dotting over. Take the same tomato sauce, Hunt's tomato
So
sauce.
it's amazing. This is a wow.
I
It's
just-
a wow dish.
And then some final cheese just to the top. This goes in the oven and bakes at about 350
For how long?
I would say just about 25-30 minutes.
Wow. That is a lovely dish for Christmas.
Yes.
Thank you,
Enjoy.
thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.